What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about essential oils and what I do, what I use in my home, and just how we benefit from these little mixtures. So as you can see, we are starting out with a total of 7 amber glass bottles. I purchased this entire set from Amazon.com, and I will have links for everything that I talk about down in the description box below in case you are interested in creating your own at-home essential oil mixtures. So if you can't tell, I have a total of 3 different sizes here. That is how the set comes. I didn't pick these sizes, but they work really well for me. So I'm going to start out with these 2 larger bottles first. I do the same mixture for both bottles. We have 2 bathrooms in our home, and so I create 1 cleaning spray per bathroom, and then the bottle just stays right out in each bathroom. What I really love about these amber glass bottles is that they're nice to look at. They definitely kind of blend in with the home decor, so it's nice to just be able to leave these out. They're very easy to find, and like I said, they kind of just add a nice little touch to bathroom decor. And before we get started, I just want to kind of put it out there that I am no expert when it comes to essential oils. I know sometimes essential oils kind of stir up some debates on their safety and their uses. I am just telling you guys what we use. We've been using these mixtures for about 6 months now, and I kind of wanted to just step up my game a little bit, so I went ahead to purchase these amber glass bottles, and that is what kind of inspired me to do a video and share with you guys what we use and how we use them. So in no way am I suggesting that everyone should use these. See what works for you guys and discontinue what doesn't work, I guess. Just know what works for us. So that is all I'm sharing with you guys today. Okay, so first up we are going to create the bathroom cleaning sprays. So I have both of my larger sized bottles right here. So for the bathroom cleaning mixture, you will need a measuring cup. You will also need some vinegar, some water. I have read that using distilled water is preferred. I'm not really sure why. I've never used distilled water and I've never had a problem. So in the past and for today's video, I'm just going to be using what I always use, as well as a citrusy essential oil. This wild orange. The reason why you want citrus is just to kind of take away the strong smell of the vinegar, kind of dilute that smell. And also, of course, when you're cleaning, especially a bathroom, you're going to want a nice, fresh, citrusy scent. So I have a few different citrus scents. I have lemon, tangerine, sweet orange, and then this wild orange. I kind of just change it up every time I make these. They all smell really, really nice. Okay, so to begin, you are going to use 1 part water to 1 part vinegar. And then I'm just going to put 20 drops of my citrus essential oil. Bathroom mixture number 1 is done. Before I do use these, I do like to kind of just give it a little shake just to make sure all 3 parts of this are equally mixed up. I'm going to repeat those exact same steps for bathroom spray number 2. I didn't realize that I was running as low on the wild orange essential oil, but I don't have any more left. So I'm going to switch up and use this tangerine scented essential oil. And same thing as the wild orange, I'm just going to add 20 drops. So first 2 essential oils are done. You guys can see, I'm sure, why I love these. They're just so easy to make. Before you run out, you can just mix up a new batch and you don't have to worry about running to the store or anything. So that is what I love about these. I'm going to take this 1 step further, which is totally optional, and I'm just going to label these spray bottles just in case, so that they don't get confused for any of the other ones that I'm making. I finally caved and purchased a label maker, and you guys, let me tell you, it is life-changing. If you love organizing and a very defined way of keeping things organized, I definitely recommend a label maker. They're not too expensive and they just do a lot. You can do so much with them. So I'm going to be using this one. This is another item that I purchased from Amazon. All right, so I'm just gonna write bathroom. You can of course write bathroom spray, but that just takes up a little bit more of the tape. Press OK. I'm gonna do 2 of them, and then you start printing. And it comes right out of the back there. You hold this down to release. And there we have it. Your own little bathroom spray. So nice, so fancy looking, and I promise you guys it smells great. So refreshing. All right, next up I am going to work on the medium bottle, and for this sized bottle I'm just going to make like a room refresher spray. So this could pretty much be sprayed in any room. It's just going to give a nice, fresh, clean, natural scent, kind of to deodorize if you have pets. This is great, and just neutralize the air. I particularly love this spray because it freshens the air. It's a nice calming scent. We are going to be using lavender, so it's just a relaxing scent. You can use quite a few different essential oils depending on what scent you're going for. I have been using this blend of, I want to say 3 essential oils. Okay, so for this I'm going to again be using 1 cup of water. And then the oils that I'm going to be using are lavender, lemongrass, and sweet orange. So I'm going to try to do a pretty equal mixture of the amount of drops that I use for the 3 oils. The lemongrass and sweet orange give it a nice, like, fresh, revitalizing scent. And then the lavender, which is such a popular essential oil just because of the benefits of relaxation and calmness that it provides. All right, just like that, that one is complete, so simple. And like I said, I personally just love this scent. I have gotten so many compliments. All right, moving on, I'm going to get started on my next 2, and I absolutely love these sprays and I use them every single day. I actually probably should get bigger bottles for these 2 mixtures, but these are going to be our morning and nighttime pillow sprays. So every morning I quickly spray our pillows in our bedroom and then my son's pillows. I do a little tiny squirt on my daughter's pillows, and then same with the nighttime. And our family personally has really noticed the benefits of having AM and PM pillow sprays. So let's get started with the morning spray first. So I went ahead and filled both little bottles up. So for the morning spray, all I'm going to be adding to the water is some eucalyptus oil. Kind of gets the day started really nicely and easily. Here is the eucalyptus oil. I'm gonna cap this one off. The morning spray is definitely very simple with only using 1 oil. And then the nighttime spray, you could just use lavender. I've done that before. And I have also found that adding an additional 2 essential oils to this mixture is even more relaxing and comforting. Here is one of the added essential oils that I use. It is sandalwood. It's just a very comforting, woodsy smell. And then the second oil that I really love using for this spray is bergamot. These AM and PM pillow sprays are done. Another super simple set of mixtures for both of these. And like I said, my whole family really enjoys this new little routine that we have with spraying our pillows after we wake up and right before bed. So that concludes this video. I ended up just making these 5 little mixtures, and I have 2 of the smaller bottles that I can kind of just wait and decide what I want to do with. We have primarily been only using these 4 mixtures, the bathroom spray, the home spray, and then the AM and PM pillow spray, and I didn't want to make 2 more mixtures just to fill up the bottles. So I'm gonna just wait on those and see if there's a recipe that I come across that I feel could be beneficial to our household. But for now, I am super happy with these 4 mixtures, and I'm really excited to start using them, especially now that I have these gorgeous amber glass spray bottles. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it was beneficial. I hope that you are able to take some new knowledge away from this video. If you have any DIY essential oil mixtures that you swear by that have been great for you, your family, your children, your pets, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to find some new recipes and to kind of try them out here in our homes. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And if you could please give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that as well. I hope to see you all in my next video, and until then, take care. Bye.